Hello guys, Luca Santos here from ACY Securities. I'm the technical market analyst, and today we have a very important announcement. Well, we actually have two very important news, one at 4 p.m. at Sydney time and another one at 7. Talking about the CPI. Well, CPI from UK and CPI from Europe. The consensus is that the CPI from UK will come lower than last month. So last month we had a 8.7 month over month, and now we're expecting 8.2. So this is a 5 points decline on the UK CPI. Well, that means if this actually happens, if this actually comes as expected, we're going to have a weaker GBP, right? If it comes higher than expected, if let's say it comes 8.7, doesn't change anything from last month, or if it comes even higher than that, then we're gonna have a stronger momentum on the GBP. Does that mean that the GBP, you know, the British pound will be higher, will be a stronger currency for the next month? No, it doesn't mean that. It means on the short term, let's say in the next 4 or 5 hours after the news come in, maybe next week maximum, we would have a stronger GBP. Why is that? Because, well, if inflation keeps rising, well, then the central bank needs to keep raising interest rates as well, and we will attract all the things you guys already know, attracts foreign direct investors. If it comes lower than expected, I would be willing to sell GBP USD. Okay, we are building a nice accumulation on the top there, and we can maybe look for double down those consolidation. Sorry guys. And then at 7 p.m. we're gonna have euro. Well, the consensus is at 5.5, and the previous last month was 6.1. Again, we're expecting a decline from last month to this month of July. Do I think it will happen? I don't think it would happen, to be honest. I think euro have been very strong, especially on the back of the weakness on the US dollar. And I think we can continue to have this strength on euro, and especially after the news today at 7 p.m. on Sydney time, we may have even stronger euro. Well, if it comes lower than expected, again, I would be willing to sell euro dollar without a problem as well, because if you put GBP USD and euro dollar, you can see that both of them are very similar on the charts at the moment. So if one comes, let's say, higher than expected and another one comes lower than expected, you already have two trades, right? I would be willing to trade if it comes as expected, because wouldn't be much volatility on the market at that time. But I will make another comment here, because if we are trading euro and GBP, we may have a trade as well. So let's say if euro comes lower than the consensus and GBP, as we already know in a few minutes, will come higher, let's say, as the consensus, we can short euro GBP. If it comes the opposite, we can long euro GBP. All right, guys, so that's all for today, and I see you in the next video.